हेलो ट्रैवल कटर्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। सो आई नो बहुत टाइम हो गया है कोई वीडियो पोस्ट किए हुए, कोई अपडेट दिए हुए आप लोगों को। सो आई वांटेड टू शेयर अ वेरी गुड न्यूज़ विद यू दैट फाइनली आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ struggle, job interviews and everything, I found a job in Germany. So we were busy in moving process, we were busy in documentation and entire process of getting a visa. I'm excited to tell you this that it is a very great feeling of getting a job offer. But I also want to share this with you that the journey does not ends with a job offer. Actually, it starts there only, because once you get the job offer, the visa process, the conversion of visa takes time to get converted, and the process is very complicated because you have to drop a mail to your foreign office wherever you are living right now, and then they might take up to 3, 4, 5 weeks to respond to that message and tell you that what all documents you need to send them. And once you're done with the documentation process, it is possible that they might take another 2, 3 or 4 weeks or maybe months to tell you whether you can start working in a certain company or not. So first of all, the very important point that I would like to share with you guys is, please ensure that while you are applying for jobs or talking about your offers, tell your company or the recruiter that you might take some time to get your visa process done, because it's not a day thing, it's not a week thing, sometimes it takes months. So for me it took somewhere around a month to get it into converted, but we really did a lot of efforts and struggle, applying for it and then doing stuff like reaching out to the officials to tell them that I have an offer after 15 days gap. And because it was Christmas time, it was very difficult to get in touch with the officials because everybody was on holiday in this country. So yes, I'm not saying it's not possible, but yes, it is not that easy. If at all you're planning to come to this country and if you're at all planning to get a job, please keep your information up to date. What you can do is you can inform your recruiters or HR that you can only work full time after getting the visa. For before getting the visa, you can only work 2 weeks for full time, which is a trial period, or else you can just work for part time until you get your visa, because most of the companies might prefer or might not prefer giving you a part-time job. You might get a full-time offer but you don't get the visa with the offer. So just convey this to your company, because company might give you the time to apply for visa and can keep you for part-time until you get the visa. And visa could be different as per your profile, because if let's say your salary is in a certain bracket which is less than the blue card, then you only get a work permit to work in that organization. Or else if you have a salary bracket where you can apply for blue card, then you get the blue card directly. So every visa is different, and we might make a video on this separately about the visa process and how you can apply for visa, what are the steps, what are the documents that you might have to submit, so that when you get the offer you are well prepared with all your documents. And if you are still in India, try to keep your documents ready. And also I would like to inform you about the documentation thing. If you are still in India, make sure you get your certificates translated into German. You might feel in India that this is a costly process, but when you come to Germany, it is very, very, very costly to get your one certificate converted into German language. So try to get your at least degrees or mark sheets, transcripts, get converted into German language. If you have a marriage certificate, then get it converted into a German language. It would make your documentation process easier. Also for us, they asked us to send the German transcripts, or converted, the degree should be converted into German language, but since we didn't have it, but we had apostilled our degrees and our documents, so somehow we managed to get it through without any documentation getting into converted into German, except marriage certificate. This is one. And if you are already in Germany, you are getting an offer, then make sure while you are dropping a mail to the foreign authorities, it has to be in German language, because most of the officials do not know English language. And I understand that for us it's difficult, but you can use Google Translator, you can write your English email into German through it, and then just send it to them. Make sure that in your appointment letter or in your emails you mention your position directly to them, that this is the information about me. I have been moved to India on this particular day. Now I got the offer, I have this date to join that place, and they'll ask you to send the document copies, whatever they need. So do not panic. I'm not making this video to make you panic. I'm just making this video to ensure that you guys have enough information if at all you are planning to move to this country. Also, if you are still in India and at all planning to come to Germany, I would again suggest you to please make sure that you have started learning German language already, because whether it's a communication job or no, German is a must have, which we have observed in last 3-4 months, that it's not easy to find a job in Germany without knowing German language, because they somewhere prefer people who can integrate in their culture because of language. And what we felt during the entire process of getting a job is that if you know German language, it is much easier to find a job and get through the interview process, because at certain point of time you will feel that maybe if it was in German language, I would have done it better. If I knew the German language, I would have conveyed it better. Of course, they won't take your interview in German language, but they feel more comfortable if you know the German language, and the job opportunities become wider when you know the German language. So again, I would say you please make sure that you know the German language before you come to Germany. It won't go waste even if you do not receive your opportunity card, because you can still apply from India in the German companies, and if at all they find you fit for that profile, they'll give you the offer, and you can then get the blue card or whatever visa is applicable for your profile. And we have connected with a lot of people in Germany who are already in Germany, where they found a job but they did not able to join it because of the visa process. I know it is very lame and it sounds very bad, but it was really frustrating for us too when we found a job but we were not able to get our opportunity card converted into a work visa, because the process in Germany is very slow and manual. So it's not like that you just apply and you get it. It takes a lot of effort and a lot of time to get your visa done. And through WhatsApp group we got to know about a lot of people, and we really got a lot of information and help from the people while we were in this process, who were Indian, who came to Germany, who are looking for a job or they found a job. They really helped us, and we have a lot of gratitude towards those people whoever helped us in this process. Even there was a person in the foreign office who really helped us with all his limits, to getting the process done on time, because we had only 15 days to get it converted as per our offer date, but because of holidays we were not able to do so. But finally we came through the process. And why I'm telling you this is because don't get so much attached with the offer letter, that once I clear out the interview and once I get the offer letter, the path is clear. No, it is not yet clear. You have to get your visa done. You have to again go to the another city, get your city registration done, your residence permit done. A lot of other documentation will be there. So it might take you months to subside your pain of the process in Germany. But yes, at the end everything's feel good, because once you find a job, you are somewhere relieved that finally you got what you came for. Also, I would like to tell you guys that try to, just a suggestion, it's up to you what you want or prefer, but I would suggest you to please find a city in Germany or a place in Germany where the population is less, so that the documentation process would easier for you. Because in the city like Frankfurt, they give you 5 months to get the appointment for a visa process, and it is really a difficult situation for a person who have an offer living in Frankfurt but cannot start a job because of the 5 or 6 or maybe less or more months of process. Try to register yourself in a city where the population is less than 40-50,000, because it's easy. And this is something which we came to know while we got the offer, though we were living in a place where the population was not high. So check the city population while you were deciding to move in Germany, and also check that if the process is online or offline, taking an appointment is online and offline, because in our city where we were living, the appointments were offline. We were not able to get the appointment through online process. We have to drop a mail to them. So two things which you could check is before moving to Germany. The first thing is whether the appointments are done online or offline in the city you are moving. According to the population, sometimes it is less, sometimes the population is less or more, but the appointments are not available online. So if possible, try to go for a city where appointments are possible online, because you don't know if you drop them a mail and they would revert you in a day, in a month, or 2 months. So yeah, that's one thing that I would like to tell you. Learning German language, that I've already told you guys, it's very, very, very important to get indulged into those interviews and cultural interviews. So what you can check is Ausländerbehörde office in Germany for that particular city, where it is and how they are giving appointment emails, or they are giving it online. So in that you can check. I have given the name here in the screen, so you can check this out before moving to Germany. One question जो हमारे लिए बहुत difficult हो गया था to get answers of it, because कोई भी videos नहीं था, किसी ने भी ये information नहीं डाली हुई. Once you get the job offer, तो आप कंफ्यूज रहते हो कि आपको कहाँ पे अब प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करना है. इन द सिटी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई गिव यू एग्जाम्पल सो दैट इट्स इजी. लेट्स से आप फ्रैंकफर्ट में रह रहे हो, आपको जॉब बर्लिन में मिली है, आप दोनों जगह अप्लाई कर सकते हो, फ्रैंकफर्ट में भी, बर्लिन में भी. बट आई वुड सजेस्ट टू गो फॉर द सिटी वेयर यू आर स्टिल लिविंग, बिकॉज आपका सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑलरेडी हुआ है, बस आपको वीजा के लिए अप्लाई करना है. तो विद द सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन यू ऑल्सो नीड सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ गुड कंडक्ट. ये एक डॉक्यूमेंट है जो आपको देना पड़ेगा वाइल यू अप्लाई फॉर द वीजा. तो आप इस डॉक्यूमेंट को एज सून एज यू गेट योर ऑफर लेटर, आप इस डॉक्यूमेंट को अपने सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिस में या फॉरेन ऑफिस में जाके या ऑनलाइन भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो, और उस एप्लीकेशन को सबमिट कर सकते हो अपने डॉक्यूमेंट के साथ कि मैंने अप्लाई कर दिया है, नाउ आई जस्ट नीड टू गेट इट. सो वो आपका प्रोसेस इजी कर देगा. रिमेंबर, दिस डॉक्यूमेंट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, एंड मोस्टली हर जगह पे ये डॉक्यूमेंट मांगते हैं वीजा प्रोसेस के लिए, एंड ये सिर्फ 3 महीने तक ही वैलिड होता है वंस यू अप्लाई फॉर इट. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप इसको करके रख लो. as soon as you are in the process of getting the offer, जैसे ही आपके पास जिस दिन भी ऑफर आ जाए, चाहे आप ऑनलाइन अप्लाई कर दो, चाहे सिटी ऑफिस में जाके अप्लाई कर दो, या जो भी आप सिटी में रह रहे हो, जहाँ जैसे भी वहाँ का प्रोसेस है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ गुड कंडक्ट आप अप्लाई कर दो as soon as you get the offer. एंड वी आर वेरी सॉरी कि आपको इतना दिन तक वेट करना पड़ा फॉर दीज इन्फॉर्मेशंस, और हम आपको नहीं अपडेट कर पाए बिकॉज वी वर सो स्टक इन द प्रोसेस. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइज, दिस इज द फर्स्ट वीकेंड वेयर वी गॉट टाइम टू डू समथिंग एल्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एंड अदर स्टफ. So yes, thank you so much for all the support you guys are giving to us. And if you have any questions, any doubts where you feel we could help you, do let us know in the comment box. You can connect with us through TopMate sessions also. I'll give the links in the description box so that you guys can connect with us. If you have any questions, if you are in the process, if you do not understand anything, and if you are not motivated to do stuff, because at some point of time, I'm not making you negative, just sharing my feelings with you, that at some point of time we were clueless what needs to be done. But finally, of course, God helped us, and there were people who supported us, who were not even known to us. A lot of people in the process helped us while we were on the edge of getting back to India, because we were not able to understand what to do with the offer when you cannot apply for visa. So don't get demotivated. Just keep yourself up and try to find a job and just get through the visa process. I know you guys can do it, and if at all you feel that there is something which you need to know, again I'm telling you, let us know in the comment, or you can reach out to us through Topmate session. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. It was nice seeing you guys again.
Tecrübe